Hi, I'm Gary Rush, and I'm going to be teaching Focused Holistic Facilitation Process Design. This is the third of our 3 Focused Facilitation online classes. It's a series of self-directed, self-paced classes that will give you the facilitation skills you need to get rolling as a facilitator. So let's talk about the agenda for the class. First thing we're going to cover in lesson 1, I've got a series of stages there. We're going to talk about how to design this process. I'm going to begin by giving you the overview of how I design a process, what consensus is, and how you take a group through consensus. I believe in a holistic process. I don't believe in having exercises that smack people upside the head. It's really part of a process, so you need to understand the consensus and how groups evolve as they go through that. Now, once you understand that overall picture, then I'm going to step you through each of the various stages. The first thing is, how do I develop that framework, whether I'm building a strategic plan, a process model, a data model, a problem solving. What is that overall framework that I have to step the people through, and how do you design this? We're going to cover that first so you've got a nice framework for your agenda. Okay, now that you've thought through what the framework is, we've got our raw steps, we've understood and thought through how the people behave, and so we've enhanced those steps with the right tools now. Now you've got to get your act together and actually do this. And this is what we're going to talk about, preparing for the workshop. And again, this begins at the same time everything else does, but this is what you end up with. Now that you understand how to create a process for virtually any situation, I want to give you a cookbook process that is really it's versatile, it's flexible, and you'll use it more than probably any other process you encounter. I use it more than all of my other processes combined. So we're going to talk about process tools. Now, in my second online class, I gave you people tools, and those are tools to affect how people behave and how they work together, etc. in a workshop. Process tools are more tools that are to get you to a specific outcome regardless of how the people are behaving. So you might combine some of these, almost think of them as kind of a mini process that you use, and it's used in a lot of workshops. Some of these are workshops by themselves.